In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to QuillBot. Now, QuillBot is a very powerful AI tool that can be used to rewrite and paraphrase text. Now, it can also detect AI, so this is a very useful tool for students. Now, first, open up your browser and then search for QuillBot. Now, after you've searched for QuillBot, just open the first link that you find, and there you go. Here you have your QuillBot. Now you can even add it to your Google Chrome extension. Now here you can see the sign in option. First, you need to go to the top right, click on login. Now there you will see an option to log in or sign up. Click on that, and here you can log in with your Google or your Facebook or even your Apple ID. Now you can also log in with your email, but for simplicity reasons, let's just log in with Google. After you've clicked on login with Google, you'll be able to sign in. Just choose your account and then press on continue. And then you have logged in to your, as you can see. Now from here, I can use this tool to paraphrase, even check my grammar, or even check for flag. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss our new videos. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit like. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned.